Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Today we are making the classic bacon cheeseburger. So we're going to start off with our Italian sausage, a little lean sirloin, Gouda cheese. We've got some Velveeta cheese, sharp cheddar because it melts better, brioche buns, and vine ripened tomatoes. And of course we have our condiments for this, and who doesn't love a little garlic, aoli, mustard. Lettuce, neither here nor there, and of course, our onions. Let's get this started. If you are new to my channel, hello, how are you? I missed you, welcome back. I can't really welcome you back because you're new to my channel, but if you hit that like button and subscribe button, I'll welcome you back each and every time. We're gonna start off by adding in our protein to get these burger patties really well seasoned. I myself am a bit of a burger snob. I literally believe in seasoning every single layer of your burger. Why not start with the actual protein? You don't want to leave any paper in there, you gotta throw that out. I do an awful lot of hand washing when I'm dealing with various proteins, and you gotta keep a clean workspace. All right, so we're gonna start off with some pepper. We've got Italian herbs, minced onion. I've got garlic powder and the Longhorn grill seasoning. A little salt we're going to start off with. Season liberally. And per usual, full step-by-step instructions will be in the description box below. While you're there, feel free to check out links for my new merchandise, and you can find me in any of my other social platforms. Getting back to the recipes, we are going to load in all of this flavor from the salt, pepper, the onion, the garlic, the grill seasonings, and you're going to use the tools that God gave you to blend all of these things in together beautifully and fully. You want to make sure you get the beef and the sausage really infused together in there very, very well. And then you can see over there, I'm super duper excited. This little white circle next to my brioche buns is my burger press. I've wanted one for so long. I don't actually get to make homemade burger patties often, but now that I got my burger press, I may have to get in there and get it done. Alrighty, we are well incorporated now and ready to move on to our next step. All right, got our fancy burger press, and here we go. Gonna get about a 1/4 pound of meatball ready to go, and we're gonna press it in the center and then gently press. You'll see the burger start to form, and there you go. Look at that. I'm gonna place it over to the side and repeat the process. And if a 1/4 pound patty was too big for you, you can definitely shift that down and make a smaller meatball to start out with, so you can have a thinner burger. I was going for a pretty hefty burger here today, as to not to have too many leftovers because I tend to cook for an army. But that makes my friends very happy because they get some of this good food. Somebody's got to eat it. Why? Because you got to eat. Don't mind the Roomba in the background, getting it clean. This was such a fun process. I can't wait to make these again and try different variations of the actual burger. If it wasn't raining outside, we would have been out on the grill, but there are the finished products ready to go in our cast iron skillet. Here we go. We're actually gonna start this off on high, checking for temp. Kiss it with just a little bit of olive oil. My olive oil is seasoned with garlic powder. Everything has to have a degree of flavor. And when you hear that sizzle, you know what's up. Try not to overcrowd your pan. Let these burgers really get in there and get to know one another, and move on to your next steps. You want to make sure that all the things are moving and flowing in your kitchen. Top off your burger with a little grill steak seasoning, in case you meet any other burger snobs like me, so you'll know what's up. And yeah, we're gonna cook these until they are done. I like a good medium burger. I don't like a well done burger. I don't know why anybody would, but I don't judge. That's on you. You like it, I love it. Getting things set up now in the background and keep it moving while your burgers are coming up the temp. All right, and if your burgers are ready to flip, you got a nice beautiful crust on them, they won't stick to your pan. If they do stick to your pan, they weren't ready to flip yet. So just leave them be till you get it, and you season both sides, because like my favorite content creators say, you eat both sides. I cannot wait to devour this burger. Not for nothing, make sure you have all your fans in the house on, because burgers will smoke up the joint. Hey, and you have to edit out the fire alarms like I have had to do. All right, another cast iron pan over here. We're gonna get ready to toast our brioche buns. My French fries are already working off to the side with my Ninja Foodie grill, which I absolutely love. There will be a video coming up soon to show you exactly how to use the Ninja Foodie grill. I'm excited about that one. Yeah, you just let these buns sit there and toast and get perfect. We have the rest of our burgers on deck back there. I did want to take a second to thank everyone for subscribing to my channel and leaving comments. They mean the world to me. I wholeheartedly appreciate every single one of them, and I can't say that enough. Thank you for giving the channel likes, because that definitely helps the channel out a lot and gets the videos to more viewers. We're going to top these burgers off with our cheese. I started out with the sharp cheddar. And then we're gonna move on to our Gouda. Gouda, 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 rocking everywhere. And then we'll give these a chance to melt before we move on to our next step. You always wanna cover your cheese on your protein to trap in that moisture, because it helps to melt your cheese super fast. That's, burger making 101, or short order cook 101. Cheese on my finger. And now we're gonna repeat the process. Those buns are nice and toasted by now. I need to get those off of that grill before they get singed, and don't nobody want that. Don't forget to season. Season it up. Can somebody hand me a beer? I am thirsty. Parched. Is it time? Oh, leave that in there. That's okay. And now that our buns are toasted, we're going to use that remaining cast iron pan that's still on from toasting your buns to finish off your last burger, because why wait? We're hungry as hostages in these streets. We got to do it. Ooh, burnt cheesy goodness. Give me that. Huge shout out to Adam Brenner, DJ Adam Ants. I wholeheartedly, I can't say it enough, appreciate you for all of your technical genius and advice and support for ways to improve my channel and my video quality and my sound quality. Huge shout out to you. Your music continues to move us all. And if you guys haven't heard DJ Ants, don't worry, check my description box. There will be a link to his SoundCloud in the description box below. It's gonna move you, it's gonna be great. And of course you can't forget the bacon. Come on, we gotta get that bacon. What did baby say in that video? Bacon! Okay, Kevin, we took the bacon. I do enjoy bacon. I don't think a burger is ever really complete without the bacon. What I should have done And what I might do for my next bacon expedition or burger expedition is the soft fried egg. And now we're building our burger. Clearly I missed all of that on our camera somewhere. And we're gonna have to rebuild it now. You know, bacon sizzling fresh out the grease. And don't forget to always save your bacon renderings. It was good enough for your ancestors, it's good enough for you. It flavors everything. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Juicy, glistening, ooh, french fry. Check out the merch I'm wearing. And here's how we build the burger. Put the garlic aioli on the bottom, then a little mayonnaise, the tomatoes, the burger patty, lettuce. Wait, am I forgetting something? I think I'm forgetting something. Hey, you forgot it. Yeah, there you go, you knew you forgot it. You forgot the bacon. Rude. Always so hot and scorching my fingers. You would think I'd be smart enough to use tongs for everything, but alas, I don't. It's part of my charm. Sends off all the fingerprints. But I tell you what, these burgers were out of control. So good. And this is actually, the show plate, the money shot that I am making for myself. Hadn't eaten all day and been smelling these big quarter-pound burgers. I don't know what planet I thought I was going to be able to eat 2 of them, but I tried. Let's just say I had a burger and a half for a midnight snack. Well, there you have it, everybody. I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video, but I wanted to say thank you so much for rocking with me in the kitchen. I wholeheartedly appreciate you. I can't even continue to speak. So I'll see you next week. Oh, y'all hear that? When that crunch hits, it moves me. That's it. I can't even continue to speak, so I'm gonna see y'all next week.